everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 10 crochet video ideas that will help you grow your YouTube channel. Plus I'll give you some bonus content for 5 YouTube Shorts ideas that you can use to engage with your audience. So let's get started. The first video idea I have is Crochet for Beginners. This is a great video to create if you want to attract new viewers to your channel. In this video, you can teach the basics of crochet, including how to hold the yarn and the hook, how to make a slip knot, and how to do basic crochet stitches like the single crochet and double crochet. The second video idea is crochet patterns for the summer season. This video is perfect for the summer season and can showcase different crochet patterns for summer accessories like bathing suits, crop tops, and even bucket hats. You can include step-by-step instructions for each pattern, as well as tips for choosing the right yarn and hook size. The third video idea is crochet tips and tricks. This video, you can share tips and tricks for crocheting more efficiently and effectively. This could include advice on how to read crochet patterns, how to fix mistakes, and how to work with different types of yarn. The fourth video idea is Crochet for Kids. This video can teach kids how to crochet with simple projects like friendship bracelets, small stuffed animals, and you can include fun animations and graphics if you know how to do that to make it more engaging for younger viewers. The fifth video idea is Crochet for Home Decor. In this video, you can showcase different crochet patterns for home decor like blankets, pillows, and wall hangings. You can include tips for choosing colors and textures that complement different styles of home decor. The sixth video idea is Crochet Amigurumi tutorial. This video can be a tutorial on how to crochet amigurumi, which are small stuffed animals or characters. It's specifically the kind of crochet I do. You can include step-by-step instructions for creating different shapes and features, as well as tips for stuffing and finishing off amigurumi. The seventh video idea is a crochet stitch library video, which you can turn into a series, which can showcase different crochet stitches and techniques, with each video focusing on a different stitch or technique. You can include close-up shots of stitches being made, as well as tips for incorporating different stitches into projects. The eighth video idea is crochet shortcuts and hacks. This video can share time-saving hacks and shortcuts for crocheting, such as using stitch markers and working with multiple colors at once. You can include tips for organizing crochet supplies and keeping track of multiple projects at once. The ninth video is a crochet Q&A. This video can answer frequently asked questions about crochet, such as how to choose the right hook size or how to read a crochet chart. You can also include questions submitted by viewers, with the host answering them in real time. The 10th video is crochet pattern review. This video can review a specific crochet pattern with close-up shots of the final finished product, and details about the difficulty level and the yarn requirements. You can also include tips for modifying the pattern to suit different skill levels or preferences. Now, let's move on to the bonus content. 5 crochet YouTube Shorts ideas that you can use to engage with your audience. The first idea for a YouTube short is a crochet time lapse. The short video can show the process of crocheting a small project like a coaster or a dishcloth in a time lapse format. The second shorts idea is a crochet stitch tutorial. This short video can demonstrate how to create a specific crochet stitch like the shell stitch or the popcorn stitch. The third shorts idea is a crochet pattern preview. This short video can give viewers a sneak peek at a new crochet pattern with close-up shot of the stitches and the details. The fourth shorts idea is crochet tips and tricks. This short video can share a quick tip or trick for crocheting more efficiently and effectively, like how to hold the hook or to fix a mistake. The fifth shorts idea is Crochet Inspiration. This short video can showcase different crochet products and patterns for inspiration, with close-up shots of these stitches and the details. And that is just a quick rundown of the YouTube Shorts ideas that I came up with And if you've seen me looking to the side the whole time, it's because I wrote a lot of this information down so I could use it for reference because it was a lot of different information. But you might have noticed that the shorts ideas are quite similar to the video ideas, and I think that's a good idea for anyone who has a crochet YouTube video or YouTube channel, is to make shorts versions of your full-length videos, because you could potentially get followers through your shorts and then they can go watch the longer version of that video. And it's doing the work once and getting to use it more than once, different applications. So you're not filming specific shorts and then specific videos. You can literally cut down your full length YouTube video and make it into a short. If you didn't know, you could do that. I'm pretty new to YouTube, so I'm learning all these things also. And that's why I gathered this information, because I tried to YouTube it myself, and that I've seen were no videos like this. And that is it for today's video. I hope you found these 10 crochet video ideas and 5 YouTube shorts ideas helpful for growing your YouTube channel. If you have any other video ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you don't have a YouTube crochet channel, feel free to leave a comment below with the next video you'd like to see, either from this list or an idea that you came up with on your own. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crochet content and maybe even tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.